Hey coders, welcome back to Learn from Here. This is part 3 of our 4-part series on Lucide Icon in Angular 19. In part 1 and 2, we got home, user, alarm, and contact icon working in standalone Navbar using provider. Today, we are switching to global setup to make this icon available across app. Ready to simplify your icon? Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive into part 3. In part 1, we install Lucide Icon and set up a standalone Navbar with working home, user, alarm, and contact icons using provider. In part 2, we focused on provider method to achieve the same working navbar. So we will use global approach to make this icon available everywhere without providers. Let's set up home, user, alarm, and contact icon globally in app config so our navbar and all component can use all the icons. Let's get started. So we will. This is how like we have implemented providers, and there is nothing gonna change into it. And let's get rid of this code as like we are using the global setup, and we not do not need the providers in particular component. And we will all the remove all references and all imports. So now we will switch to the global setup. So we will visit the app.config file and we will provide the import. So import provider from Lucide Angular module dot pick and we will pick the icon. We will pass the icon home, user, alarm, and contact. So home and user, alarm, and no, home, user, alarm, clock, and contact. That's it. So now icon should be working now. So we will hit back to our pages and check it's working now. So it's working now. Part 3. We used a global setup in app.config.ts file to get home, user, alarm, and contact icon working in our navbar and app icon. In part 4, we will organize this icon for scalability. Hit like, subscribe to learn from error, and comment what icon you are using. Check the description for code and links to part 1 and 2 and watch part 4 next.